Estrada do Canal dos Patos, vamos malo, road of Duck Channel. Oh, Estrada do Canal dos Patos, road of Duck Channel.
A place of the ducks.
Oh, Estrada do Canal dos Patos,
Going along the Estrada do Canal dos Patos. The Canal dos Canal dos Patos.
yeah, yeah, the Canal dos Patos. Going along the border of Macau and China, of Macau and China. Going all along in Macau along the border. Going along the Estrada do Canal dos Patos, the Canal dos Patos. Oh, oh, Canal dos Patos, yeah, yeah, the Canal dos Patos.
Okay, today's target street is this one right here, Canal dos Patos Road, Estrada is road. So we're going to be going down this way. It kind of goes near this basketball court, and it goes right into that direction. That's the Qingmao, the border gate that goes into China. And then down over here is St. Joseph's University. So that building right there is part of St. Joseph's University. These are different apartments in this area. So we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're on Canal dos Patos Road. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we are going to be, St. Joseph's University is like right there. And Green Island is all right there too. And then on that side is all the border. So all those buildings over there are all part of Zhuhai. And down this way is all part of Green Island. So those are all part of kind of an industrial park area. But our target street here, there's some basketball. There's hair. Let's see what else is in here. Little hair shop right there. We're gonna go down there. Is also part of Macau too. There's a little bit of a waterway, like a waterfront there, and on that side is basketball. So they'll play basketball right there, and right there is Qingmao. So Qingmao is a border gate that foreigners can't use it unless they have a Macau residency. The basketball, and now you can see so these are some instructions for cars. So this is the Qingmao port, which was right there. Cars can go that way, and then this one, I think the industrial will be cross-border for like the big trucks. I think that's what it sounds like it implies. Okay, I think I saw on our on my Google Maps that our target street kind of goes down here just a little tiny bit. No, this is different. It's Travessa de Narciso. Very, very small little lane. But I'm gonna just keep on going down here. Let's see what I can. Okay, it looks like we're gonna end up in the street here. I think our street ends probably right over there. Kind of let's get out of this road here. Let me see. I think that looks like, I don't know what that all is. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going straight this way. There's Qingmao Port that would take us into China. Actually, I have my Macau card. I could go there right now if I wanted to, but there's our target street. Estrada do Canal dos Patos. The street is called Laboratory Street. Okay, so we're gonna go down just a little bit further here. And I think that's all Qingmao right there, and also the electric company. And this road is kind of short and kind of small. But it'll lead, so everything right here is basically along the border. Let me see. And today is actually a holiday. So, this is where the Institute of Habitat, like it's like housing, a housing department. So if you want social housing, this is your location for that. I was kind of curious where that was. Okay, so everybody here is going to go across the street as soon as it turns green, and I believe our street is going to end here. More basketball on that side, and I believe I'm going to try to go across as well. So everybody's going to cross the border here. So that's our target street. These, I think this is all like social housing, so you can actually park here, walk across these things right here, go into the Qingmao port right here, and cross into China. If you're, if you have Macau residency, or if you have, or if you're Chinese ethnicity, foreigners cannot use that one. So, okay. So we're gonna walk on this side of the street now. Just try to capture all of it. Okay, so that's a drop-off zone for cross-border people. Lots of apartments right in here too. Okay, we're gonna keep on going all the way down. Electrical company. So I think all of these are like illegal parking, so they can drop people off at the border and they can go across. You got like suitcases here. So yeah, I don't think I filmed this street before. This would be the first time. More apartments all the way in this whole area. There's tons of apartments close to the border and such. Prices are lower too. The rent is lower in this area. And then I also wanted to capture this basketball. So we had some basketball at the end of the street and also here. So this is an area where people might play basketball, as you can see. Okay, here's a bus stop. Canal dos Patos, Qingmao. Qingmao is the border gate. And I'm basically kind of documenting stuff, see what it looks like. This will all be so different in the future. In the future, this will be connected with the Zhuhai, China, which is on the other side of this basketball court. So all those buildings over there are part of Zhuhai. And right now, everybody has to cross over with their suitcases or just walk across. But in the future, you'll be able to just go across no problem. Okay. And over here is the border gate right there. Got basketball, Zhuhai, China. And all of that is Green Island. I think they're playing some game right here, up straight ahead. I don't know if I should film them or not. So that's still our Target Street right there. And I think that our Target Street will just continue on, so we'll just go all the way through. I think they're playing Chinese chess. So I think I'm gonna end the video and see what they're doing. Yeah, they were playing Chinese chess. I don't know if I can film them or not, so I decided not to. All these chairs are all lined up facing the border, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, they're playing Zhengqi. So anyways, let's end the video right there. So that was a slice of Macau, kind of near the border. So hopefully you enjoyed that one as well. Slices of Macau.